The last two elements don't have positions on the Aristotelian triangle, and that's because exigence and purpose are products of those other elements. The exigence of a text is whatever inspired or otherwise prompted the writer to persuade. It can be a specific event, a series of events, or merely conditions that the writer finds unacceptable. It can also be something the writer has experienced firsthand or something they've observed from outside. The purpose is what the writer hopes to accomplish by persuading. It could be some specific action that the writer wants the audience to do. It can be some broader change in something that the writer wants to see. Anytime we identify purpose, though, we always want to phrase it as an infinitive phrase. So that's to plus a verb, to do something. In order to help you not confuse exigence and purpose, think of cause and effect. Exigence causes the purpose. Exigence happens to the writer, or the writer experiences the exigence, and that leads the writer to then create the text with the purpose of doing something about the exigence. For instance, Batman's exigence would be that his parents were killed. And because of his exigence, Batman's purpose is to make Gotham safe. Let's take a look at exigence and purpose in MLK Jr.'s speech. What would we say is his exigence? Well, here's an example of there not being a specific event inspiring the speech, but just ongoing conditions. Yeah, MLK Jr.'s exigence is that Black Americans had long been treated as second-class citizens in the United States. They had lived in fear of racially motivated violence, and he found these conditions unacceptable. What then would be his primary purpose? Well, his primary purpose is to encourage the American people to advocate for equal rights and treatment of Black Americans. That will help address his exigence. Let's do one final check for understanding. Identify the exigence and purpose of John Winthrop's A Model of Christian Charity.